So let's start with today's question. Question is like this: given an integer array, find the first index such that the sum of the element of on the left of that index is equal to the sum of the element to the right of the index. So basically, the question is uh, we have to choose an index, or we have to give the output of an index such that the right means the element at the right of that index, if we do the sum of them, and the elements which are on the left of that index, we do the sum of them, so that sum should be equal. So let's start the codes. Hashtag include stdio.h. Okay, int main, int first we will go for left sum is equals to 0, then int right sum is equals to 0, then we will go for an array, integer array. Okay, let's copy this and we will go for the for loop first, which will be the outer loop, and I is equals to 0. We will hard code for now, but you can change you can change the number of the array, and you can put the value n over the number 6, which I'm going to put right now, less than 6 I plus plus. See, I have put here 6 because here are total 6 numbers. You can put here n numbers, and you can put value n over here rather than 6. Int j is equal to 0, j less than. Okay, so I just want to go with I over here. J not equal to 6 and j plus plus right sum equals to right sum plus arr of j. I will just copy paste the same last 4 lines over here and do some changes, like I have to start it with I minus 1 and I have to start it with I plus 1, because I will contain the same index value also, so we just don't want that. Not equals to minus 1 and j minus minus left sum left sum. Okay, completed. And if the right sum is equals to left sum, we just have to printf percentage j the index number, and just then break the loop. And one more thing that we have to do right now is to initialize the right and the left integer as 0, because when the loop execute again, then we have to just initialize this value of right sum and left sum from 0. So let's copy it, Control C. Sorry for the background noise. 1, 2, 3, tab. Okay, we have completed the code. Let's check for the output. So output is 3, which is matching to a given question output. So why it is 3? Because 0 1 2, this is the third index, and if we add 5 plus 6, then it will be 11, and if we add 7 plus 1 plus 3, it will also be 11. So that's why the index value is 3. That's all for today. Meet you tomorrow.